In today's video, we will learn how to easily convert an image into a PDF file in just a few seconds. Let's say this is the image we need to convert into a PDF. As the first step, either open Google Docs directly or search for it. Then, open a blank document, and you can drag and drop the image onto it, as you see here. You can also adjust or resize the image as needed. Additionally, you can add more images to the same page below it, based on what you need in the PDF. In this case, let's just convert this one image into a PDF. For that, go to the top menu, click on File, and then click on Download as a PDF document. That's it. You now have the image in PDF format. I hope this simple tutorial was useful. Please leave your comments and questions below. Thanks for watching.